Mosi, your best time on tour, best story that you can tell us.
I think it was actually the World Cup, and I've told this one, and it's actually not a lacquer story, but I mean, we had World Cup, so I think it was Marseille. So we in there, Frans Steyn used to stay with Ruan Pienaar. So Ruan is a serious guy, you know. So I go in, I get a key for their room, go into a room, and then I use their toilet. I take the number 2. So now I go, and then I leave, and don't flush. So now I leave. And as it goes on later in the week, I can see these two are not lacquer with each other. This one is saying, you didn't flush. That one said, it wasn't me. So that till a stadium where I couldn't take it anymore. I said, hey, boys, here's your key back. I can't do this anymore. I think you guys are going to be worst friends. And then they were like, woo. So, yeah, that was a great one. We have to. I almost ruined a great friendship. So.
From schoolmates, ruining Marseille.